Well, good morning, guys. So today is Vlogmas day. I don't know. I feel like it's like, maybe it's 6. Anywho, I'm on my way to class. I'm trying to prop y'all up. Hold on. I'm trying to get in camera situated. Okay, so today, okay, phone, don't do that. So today is Vlogmas day 6. It's cold outside. It looks a little bit cloudy. My group is texting me. We're supposed to meet in the library at 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. But, yeah, somebody else in my group just said that they were just leaving their apartment. So I was like, me too. Like, me too, bitch. So, oh, God. I'm dressed up today in business casual attire. And when I dress up, it's just like, I just feel so stiff and like stuck. Just stuck. But anyway, yeah, so I'm dressed up today because we actually have a project in English that we are presenting. I think I had said something about this yesterday, or I may have said it in a different vlog, but y'all, Vlogmas has been trying me. Like, next year I'm gonna have this a lot more planned out. This year just kind of like, boom, let's just do it, get it out there. But the thing is, it's like my SIM card, like it said like format SIM, and for some reason I hit okay and erased all my footage. I'm talking about I had other videos that need to go out that wasn't even like Vlogmas related, but it's just the fact like all my stuff is gone. So I had to start over. So that's why you may be missing one vlog, but you know what, we're just gonna keep on going. I'm not gonna let it discourage me. We're just gonna keep on moving forward like it didn't happen. So yeah, a quick update. So far today is Friday. Yay, I'm excited, but I have to work. So today I actually just have to do this little presentation in class, do that, and then I have my next class, which is my management class. I did take a final in there Wednesday, and y'all, I'm gonna be honest, like the final I only needed like maybe like a 40 something to keep my B. If I would have got like I would have had to get above 100 to do an A, but I'm gonna be in that class. So anyway, I ended up coming out. I took the final. I did not do good on it at all, but I did enough, you know, to keep my B. But still, I'm just like, dang, Tasha, like, you actually really studied for that exam and that final, and you totally blew it. Thank God that you wasn't dependent on it. So, lesson number 1. Don't wait till your final to think that you're going to pull through for a class. Just go ahead and do what you got to do in the beginning of the semester when you're motivated. Get all your good grades, so when it comes down to your final, like, it won't make or break you. Like, that's torture. Like, if I would have had to make like an 80 something on that, I would have been like feeling like so overwhelmed, you know. But anyway, it worked out, so I ended up having to be in that class. So we actually have that class again today, even though we're done. We have that class today because he wants to give his final thoughts, and he wants to, you know, basically sum up the class. He's such a nice professor. Shout out to Professor Little at Clemson University. Management, business, wait, what is it? Business strategy. It is a management course, but it's a business strategy. He's so bomb. He's so nice. So he's such a good person, like, that I was like, yeah, I'll come back on Friday, when really I'm like, I don't even want to go. Like, what's the point? Like, I done got my B in your class. What's the point? Yeah. We vibe. Like, we did talk all semester. Like, let us go. Free us. Release our chains. But, yeah, so I'm going to his class, and that's all I have. And I'm pretty sure we probably won't be in there the whole hour. Is he really, you think he's gonna really talk for the whole hour? Surely he won't talk for the whole hour. But after that, my makeup and stuff is done, so all I have to do is go to work after that. I gotta pick Carter up at 2:30, so maybe I should wait till like 2:30 to eat. I'm kind of already like hungry now. But then it's like I've been feeling like so bloated. Y'all have got to lose some weight. Like, honest, being 100% honest, your girl didn't hit 200 on the scale. Like, I'm tall, so you don't see it that much. You wouldn't think it, but honest to God, I have heavy. You got so heavy, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I done got heavy, but I know a lot of it has been due to just not being able to exercise. I've been in school. I'm a single mom. It's hard. Like, I got a lot of stuff on my plate to do besides take the time out to exercise or to stop feeding my face. I think it's more so I feed my face at the wrong time of the day a lot of the time, because I feel like I don't eat that much, but like the past couple of days, unless it's like that time of the month, then I would eat up something. You feel me? Like, I would eat it up. But I don't know. But I'm thinking, like, now that school is about to be done, I'm even thinking like next week, since I have 2 finals, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday, one for auditing, one for finance. So I'm thinking, and I have graduation that following week, so I need to lose some weight before graduation, which is like less than 2 weeks really. But I'm thinking, like, if I go to the gym on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, then maybe I'll feel better. You know, I just want to at least feel a little bit skinty, even though I may not have lost no weight. You know, just feel a little, you know, just a little better. I just need to feel like I'm doing something, so I won't want to eat anymore. But yeah, I just bought some apple cider vinegar at the grocery store yesterday too, so that always kind of like start something. I just seen Missy Lynn's vlog yesterday where she was talking about that she think it could be dairy related, or she feel like when she has dairy she feels a little more bloated. I think I may be a little bit lactose intolerant too. I can't even lie. Like what if it is dairy? I do eat a lot of dairy. Like, if you think about it, like, I don't have a dairy allergy, or I didn't think I was lactose intolerant, so therefore, like, I don't look for those ingredients. So there's dairy in everything, really. So I may try to do that the first of the year. But either way, New Year's, we're doing something. Y'all, I gotta plan a graduation trip. My best friends try to surprise me and take me to Colorado, but I kind of like screwed that up because I was being indecisive, didn't know what I wanted to do, and they was trying to do this whole surprise thing to the point where they eventually had to just go ahead and tell me, and like, yeah bitch, like, you fucked it up, like, you messed it up. We were going and you all over the place and not knowing what you want to do, and I was like, dang. But I'm happy that we didn't go though, because Colorado, I don't even have the clothes for Colorado. South Carolina don't even sell clothes for Colorado weather, honey. Like, it's like -3. My toes are cold now and it's 42. Like, my toes is freezing right now. My fingers and my toes stay so cold during the wintertime. In the summertime, they sweat like none other. So, should I park on this side? Am I gonna eat Panda Express again? I probably... I'll park on this side since there's not that many people. It's Friday and that many people didn't decide to come to school today. But yeah, I'm gonna park over here. But yeah, so I messed that up, so I need to plan something. I don't know, I haven't really touched bases with anybody. I'm honestly to the point where I don't even know if I want a lot of people. I did, and then there was kind of like back and forth about who was gonna be invited, who would, and I'm just like, man, fuck that shit. Like, I might as well just, shit, me and my boo, me and Jay, just go for it, you know? I don't know where exactly I want to go. I thought about doing a cruise. Oh, she dressed real cute. Oh, her pants are real cute and bell-bottoming. I wish I could show you. She probably look at me. Oh, her dress pants were cute. I guess everybody got dressed up because everybody doing some kind of presentation or something. But yeah, so I just kind of screwed the trip up. So now I'm at a dilemma. But I do know I told everyone that I did want to be back by the 1st of January, deciding on what job I may decide to take. I'm pretty much in my mind kind of already know what job I'm gonna take. I just, you know, and if I do take that job, I will start like January 13th. So I'm thinking I want to go somewhere maybe for New Year's. And I don't know if I don't necessarily want to go out. I don't necessarily want to, you know, go out for New Year's really. I just want to go somewhere and like relax and maybe like sleep, honestly. Like that would be so amazing, just to get somewhere, just sit down, sleep, grab some onesies. I really wanted a cabin in Tennessee, but right now they're all like kind of like booked, and I see they're getting a lot of snow, girl. But girl, I don't drive in the snow, and I think I need new tires, so that's a no-go. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We've talked about Houston, we've talked about Florida. We always go to Florida. I just feel like traveling, like plane ticket wise, like to spend a whole lot of money on a ticket makes no sense to me, especially when I want to go somewhere and chill. So I probably won't go out of my Airbnb, or I usually use HomeAway though, but I usually wouldn't like, I don't want to really leave the house. Like, let's just get food, cook, chill, and you know, drink tequila first thing in the morning if I want to. Like, that's exactly what I want to do. So all right guys, your girl is back. I am back. I just got out of my business writing class. The presentation went awesome. We got that done. Went to my management class. That was cool. He just wanted us to do the teacher evaluation, which I had already done, and fill out some little quiz questions, just basically like about the class, what you think we need to change, improve, blah blah blah. And then he let us go. So it is currently 12:48. Today's the last day of my undergrad. Like, this is a huge accomplishment today, so I'm proud of myself. It's good. We good to go. So yeah, so I will just holler at y'all in the next vlog, which will be tomorrow, which is Saturday. So I have Saturday. I have nothing going on, so maybe I'll try to record like a little chit chat, get ready with me or something like that for tomorrow, since I don't have anything else planned. So yeah, so we're done here. Cut it out. But yeah, bye you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog, even though it was really short, but we made some accomplishments today. So yeah, but yeah, catch y'all in the next one. Deuces. You know what time it is. Boom.